What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are tuning in again, thank you so much for all the love and support, and if it is your first time, then welcome to my channel. My name is Amanda Mimi. I am a lifestyle blogger slash vlogger. So let's get straight into the video. I'm sure you can tell by the title, I gave these guys behind me a little bit of an update. They were a silver grayish kind of color, and they were not the girl, so I had to spray paint them black, and I'm so excited to show you this video. I hope you guys do enjoy. And I also ended up giving this little corner by the window a little bit of an update, and I added some pampas grass, so I will be showing you guys that as well. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Stay tuned for more decorative videos, and thank you so much. Don't forget to follow my decor page on Instagram. It is at Decorate with Mimi. I will put the handle over here and you guys can see more of my decor related goodies. And thank you so much. God bless and enjoy. Okay guys, so this is the setup. So we've got the paintings up there, then we've got the couch and stuff down there, but I feel like it's a little bit bland, so there's not much contrast going on there. I feel like the paintings are blending with the wall, so I am going to spray paint them, and if you want to see, then keep watching. Okay guys, so we've got a little bit of a snag. This painting over here is joined together with staples. So if I want to remove the frame and separate it, I'm gonna have to take out all of these staples that are all around the frame before I do that. So plan B. Okay guys, so this is how it's looking so far. I'm loving it. So as you can see, there's like some spillage that went a little bit over, but I can easily clean that off. But so far so good, and I'm so happy to show you guys the finished product. Oh yes, and over here, if you can see, like the silver's peeking through. So I'm gonna put some more spray paint just in that corner, but I'm just letting it dry for a little bit. And